Today's webinar is the last one, and it is devoted to Python programming as just preparation for Python programming in Linux. Yes, you will need it in the further modules, and that in parallel. Now also goes, Python programming is assumed that you do it all from the Linux operating system. As I understand a module about Python, you have already started. Yes, that is, you are already familiar with it, and you should know that we have a separate command interpreter for Python, and we are going to use it now. Well, Python 3 is a powerful and widely used programming language, especially in Linux environments. This guide outlines its installation, usage, and features. To verify Python 3 is installed, the command Python 3 is used, launching an interactive interpreter indicated by a prompt of 3 arrows. Within this environment, users can execute commands such as print hello world and perform arithmetic operations with a special variable storing the last result. To exit the interpreter, the exit command is used. However, since data does not persist between sessions, scripts are preferred for more complex workflows. Libraries like numpy can be installed using Python's package manager spip with commands like pip install numpy. Once installed, these libraries can be imported and used in the interpreter to perform advanced operations such as creating arrays with numpy. Scripts in Python are simple text files with a py extension containing sequential commands. They can be executed using Python 3 script.py. Adding a shebang makes them executable without explicitly invoking the interpreter. For more interactivity, the I flag can be used to enter interactive mode after script's execution. This setup is ideal for headless environments like Docker or server-based systems without graphical interfaces. It ensures a seamless workflow, whether working on simple tasks, developing scripts, or running complex programs. Python 3 is a powerful tool for running scripts and working with libraries in Linux. By default, the Python 3 interpreter is located in the system and can be accessible via the Python 3 command. To create a fully executable script, a shebang line is added to the beginning of the file, which tells the system which interpreter to use. After that, execution permissions must be assigned to the script, for example, using the command linkage pp, and it can then be run like a program. So scripts can import modules, libraries, such as numpy. To make a module available, it must first be installed via the package manager using the command pip install pandas. If this is not done, the interpreter will return an error about an unknown library. Once installed, the module can be imported with the import mop command, and its functions and methods can be used for various tasks. Today, Python scripts provide convenience and flexibility, allowing for task automation and working with large amounts of data. Although the Python syntax is already widely known, it is important to understand the principles of creating, executing, and configuring scripts to effectively utilize the language in practical applications.